Give it to me like.
So my name is Spring. Again, good morning. So today I have two tasks. My first task is to introduce to you who we are and what the company is. So first question, who here already know Carillon? Sino kakilala sa Carillon? Honest, we don't mind. Hindi ko papulion. Sino na di kakilala? Who have heard of us before? Alright. May I see who are getting to know us for the first time? It's okay. It's okay. Wala ka na points, guys. Okay lang. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So, just so you know, who are these people? Dapat wala face-to-face today, but we were encouraged to come here, participate in this activity. So Carillon, just so you know, we're a company whose mother company, Elevant Health, is based. So we're in-house. We started from the US, we expanded. We're in India. We started operations only 800 in 2019, and then as of October 2023, we are now at around 8,300 up. So around strong. Okay. So with that, we're hiring, by the way. So finish your whatever path you want to take first. But again, this is as I was sharing earlier, this industry has so many opportunities if that's something that you want to explore in the future. So no pressure. Alright. What else about us? So we're in healthcare. And we're in 4 sites in the Philippines. So here in Iloilo, as I mentioned, we're in Mega World. You might have seen it's the building sa Punta. We're in front of SM as well, SM Strata. In Manila, we have 2 sites. If you're familiar with BGC, we have 1 site there. And we have another site in Ortigas at Glass Tower. So,
okay guys, habang nagsasalita yung speaker natin doon, so dito muna tayo. Ito yung mga kasamahan ko guys, naglilinis or nagwawali sila ng mga dried na dahon ng kahoy. Ayan. So palabas muna tayo ng pawis dito kasi buong gabi nga nagtatrabaho kami. So ito, we are helping the RG Memorial Regional School cleaning their surrounding. Ayan, ito tingnan nyo guys, diba? Ayan, so ayan na, so far naman industrious naman yung mga kasamahan ko. Okay, ayan, so dito naman tayo. Ayan sila guys, ako guys pa lakad-lakad lang, pa video lang, hindi ako nagwalis guys. Exempted ako kaya guys. So EM Lugan, binigyan ako ng exception. Hindi na daw ako magwalis, mag-video na. Ay, hello! Ayan si MJ. Wow! Super industrious naman si MJ. Ayan. Ayan. So, everybody is cleaning the surrounding of the school. Ayan, diba? Super industrious naman nila. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Ayan. Wow! Ang lawak kaya ng school, guys. So, ayan si Amazel at saka si Leia. Ayan guys, balik naman tayo. So ayan guys, bumalik ako kasi nakita ako sa yung SOM namin nagwawalis. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys kung anong ginagamit. SOM, ano ba yan? Ba't pa yung ginagamit mo? Hindi walis. Tingnan nyo siya. Oh my God, kasama si Christian, of course. Christian, ba't bibigyan si SOM ng walis? Ayan, go lang boss, go lang. Ayan. So, sumayaw si Miss Kay. Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan doon. Dito naman tayo. watch naman tayo ng kanilang sayaw.
Nabugta ko agad today. Alright. I hope you guys are still with me. Alright. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So, thank you so much, team, for giving me the opportunity to present to you today. And my topic is English in the workplace. Wow.
Right? When I was in college, I was really good with the course that I'm into. Right? Because I like drawing. The BPO for 15 years compared to my work experience with my bachelor's degree for only 3 years, right? I'm actually a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Architecture. I'm happy. 1, 2, 3. One more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, can we do the letter C all together, team? Thumbs down, burger. Burger ba to? Alright. 5, 6, and can you say Kelon? Mas malakas, mas malakas. 1, 2, 3. Can we letter C daw? 1, 2, 3. Burger. Can we have everyone na to join? I think pwedeng sa baba na lang tayo, tapos pataas yung view naman. Alright. Sa booth, sa registration, tapos yung food na sa my food station. Let's just form a line para makapusan. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. One more. Thank you, provider services. Yes. 1,